Hello, hello people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting to me. Today, I'm going to talk about you know it from the title. I'm going to talk about the same topic for the sixth time, and the topic is the world has become a better place to live in the 21st century than ever before in the history of human civilization. Um, I think any person who observes all the privileges that we enjoy as human beings living in the 21st century would agree with my statement. So let me give you another another reason for why I think that we humans actually are pretty lucky to be living in the 21st century in the year 2020, despite the coronavirus pandemic that is going on right now. Today we can um, today we have the ability to communicate with people around the world at just with the help of our smartphones, with the help of a device that literally fits in the palm of our hand. We can communicate with a person who is sitting on the other side of the world with the help of the internet. So the internet, the smartphone, basically, these kinds of technologies have enabled huge advances, and have miraculously changed changed human life around the world. And there are no two ways about it. The smartphones and the internet have changed the world dramatically. And even 25 years ago, I'm going 25 or 30 years ago, there were no smartphones, there was no internet, or maybe there was internet in the 1990 or 1980s, but it was it was not the kind of internet that we enjoy today. We enjoy internet services on our phone. We use touch screen phones. We have access to all the information that can be available to human beings. All the information that we might not be able to process, we might not be able to imbibe all that information in 1,000 lifetimes, and we have that much amount of information right at our fingertips. um, ra- it is such a privilege. This thing is such a privilege, and it has democratized knowledge in such a way that 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 wasn't possible before. you know um, During the old days, most people weren't educated, most people weren't literate, most people did not even know how to read or write, let alone reading books, let alone uh, reading about great philosophers, learning about what is learning about all the technological innovations that were happening in the 15th century. People did not know that. So people did not have most people did not have access to that kind of knowledge, because they did not have a smartphone in the palm of their hand, where they could just access each and everything, watch YouTube videos, share memes with friends, have conversations through video calling apps, and literally conversations with people who might be sitting on literally the other side of the world. That is just mind boggling to think that that is even possible today. And that kind of video calling, that ability to literally chat with someone face to face, um, over with the help of a video calling app, is basically enabling a lot of people to actually work from home, even in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic that is going on around various countries. So I think, those people, all these people who think, of course, the COVID-19 pandemic is a tragic thing that is happening to humanity, is a horrific thing that has claimed hundreds of thousands of lives around the world. But despite all of that, I still would say that um, that if this pandemic happened in the 15th century, we humans would be way worse off, because we would not even have a rudimentary knowledge about any kind of pandemic that might be even going on, because in the 15th century there were no health organizations, there was no there were no there weren't any proper governments that would have spread awareness about some new kind of disease, some new kind of pandemic that might be creating havoc in the world. Because in the 15th century, people did not know what germs were. People did not know how diseases were caused. People lived in pretty unhygienic conditions all around the world, I think, for the most part. Again, some cultures in the 15th century might have been pretty serious about maintaining a proper hygiene, but I don't know the details about that. But the point that I'm trying to make is, if this pandemic happened in the 15th century, huge numbers of people would have died, and nothing would have been done in order to curtail it to a great extent, other than trying to basically maintain social distancing. Would social distancing have been possible in the 15th century? I do not know. So basically the point I'm saying is, or the point that I was making in the earlier part of this video is, internet, smartphones are great for humanity. We did not have this privilege for thousands of years, and we have this privilege now in the 21st century. So we should be grateful to the dear Lord. And if you are not, if you are an atheist, then also you should be grateful to Mother Nature, I guess, that we humans are living in the 21st century. Period. Please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing my video with other people, friends and acquaintances. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. And my God, why I'm screaming. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.